Hi everybody, it's April from April's Crochet.and.more, and this is my third attempt of doing this right, so I'm not stopping this time. This is the unboxing for the mystery box for the May giveaway. I'm going to show you what's in the box, and then I will tell you who the winner is. You have to excuse my table, it's dirty. I haven't been up here for a while. It's not really dirty, it's more stained. This is a lightweight number 4 acrylic, 1,930 yards approximately. It's a pound. And there's 3 Premier cottons in here, Premier Home. There's 105 yards in each one. And it is called Lauren Fashion 251 yards each ball. There's 3 balls, and it's 100% polymer. There should be a video of me making a change purse or just a review or something with this. I can't remember which one it is, but I know if you look down through, it'll be on like the clip art, the picture you see on the video. I'm pretty sure it's on that. And this is from, I think, Hobie. It's either from Hobie or Hobium, I'm not sure which, I can't remember. Ball of Premier Luna. It's 100% anti-pill acrylic, and it's 273 yards. And a ball of Universal Yarns Vibrance. It's 218 yards, and it's 73% superwash wool, 24% nylon, and 3 polymer. And a crochet hook case with some crochet hooks in it, and a tape measure, and some stitch markers. And I also, I have to find them, I had them laying here somewhere. I'm going to include some of these, 2 of these clips for you to use. And I found them. Excuse the shaking and excuse my mess because I have to go over to the computer to show you who won. I went ahead and got it on there to save some time. The winner is Rebecca McNulty, and her comment, and there was 79 unique comments, and her comment was, "Oh, I love a surprise. Thank you for the giveaway. Have a great weekend." So Rebecca, if you want to send me an email with your information or where you'd like your box to be sent, please let me know. And I wanted to let everybody know I'm sorry I didn't get this out yesterday or on the 3rd. I've been trying to get my garden done between rainstorms. And I will have some of the ice yarn reviews coming up. And I have to tell you, there's one of them I'm completely in love with the yarn. And I have enough of it to make a sweater. So I'm excited about that. And that's probably be the first video I show you guys. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. There's my flash of my yarn stash. And I will see you guys soon.